Hey guys, it's Ruzzle. So recently I went through the process of upgrading my GoPro Hero 5 Black to the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it took a little bit for me to get the GoPro in the mail, but I got it today. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Now, I just wanted to mention that I am not going to be going deep into the features of the GoPro. Literally, this is just going to be an unboxing video to let you know what you get when you get one. And I will do a separate video with the features and all that after using it for a little bit. So, there's that. Let's see. I think it's fair to mention that I went through the GoPro's trade-up program. So I sent in a digital camera and they gave me $100 off the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So that is what I did. So when you open it, it's going to come with some bubble wrap. It's going to come with the GoPro Hero 7 packaging in plastic wrap. And there it is. It has the same body style as the GoPro Hero 5 Black, but it looks like it's a little darker. And it says gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization. So the packaging looks pretty similar actually to the GoPro Hero 5 Black. So I'm assuming so you can get rid of that packaging, and it's gonna come in a little stand like this. There's a little tab right there that says remove, so you're gonna want to remove that, but I'm not quite sure how to do that. Oh, okay. So you're gonna have to unscrew the GoPro. And you can take off the little latch that holds the mount in place, and then you could slide it out. Now it's going to be a little tough because it is new, so once you get it out, you're going to have the mount. And the GoPro comes in the frame. And I think one thing that's different is the side actually says GoPro, actually says 7 Black. So that's a way to distinguish the different models of the GoPro Hero 7 line. So you can take it out of the case, and that's what it's going to look like. It takes a USB-C connector, just like the previous model. So it's quicker charging. You're going to want to peel off the little sticker with the little turtle, and you can use it. And inside the box, you're going to get some manuals, warranty information, stickers. You're going to get your USB Type-C charging cable. You're going to get the lithium-ion battery. And you're going to get a couple sticky mounts, one flat, one curved, so you can stick it onto stuff. And that's all she wrote, folks. I'm going to charge this up and I'm going to get some use out of it. But there you go. That's what you get when you open the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this, especially for the hyper smooth. And also the time warp I'm really excited about is a feature they have. But I'll explain that in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.